Good day, my friends. I'm Mama V. I'm super excited to share with you that I get to cook up a storm in not one, but two amazing kitchens. One in Ottawa, Canada, and the other in Reggio Calabria, Italy. So come join me in one of my kitchens and see what delicious dishes I'll be whipping up for you to try. Oh my goodness, I have a recipe for you guys today that this recipe is a staple you probably whip up every week without even thinking about it. We're going to begin by chopping up 2 onions. To make this recipe, you'll need 3 80-gram cans of tuna packed in oil. Regardless what brand you buy, it must be in oil. My advice is to avoid using tuna packed in water. Trust me, the taste will be completely different. You'll also need 200 grams of bocconcini. Bocconcini are a small, bite-sized mozzarella cheese balls. Bocconcini in Italian is little mouthful, which describe these small, delicious cheese bites. You can leave the bocconcini whole, but I decided to cut them in half. Begin by heating up a skillet with a generous pour of authentic Italian olive oil. Add some chopped onions to the skillet and saute it until the onions are translucent. Once your onions are translucent, it is time to put in the tuna packed in oil. The best thing is to also add the olive oil that is in the can. That will give that extra flavor because that oil's been in with the tuna, so the oil itself will have a flavor of the tuna. Now, break up the tuna as much as you can. You can leave a little bit of chunkiness to it, but I prefer to break it up so everybody can have some tuna in their pasta. When your pasta reaches the perfect al dente texture, drain the water and transfer it to your serving dish. Normally, I mix the pasta with the tuna sauce in the skillet. But this time my daughter decided to add the pasta directly to the serving dish. By adding the pasta directly to the sauce, followed by the bocconcini, would result a better melt. But there's no rules to that. But it for me, I would find that adding it to the skillet, it would melt easier, the bocconcini. Now you'll see that my daughter will be adding the bocconcini to the serving dish, and they will start melting very lightly. But if you do add it to the skillet, the heat that has the skillet and your sauce is still hot, it would melt a little bit better. But this is a choice that you can do. Regardless how you will mix this pasta, I'm telling you, it is the most simplest, easiest pasta to make. Especially when you come home, you're exhausted from work, and you have the kids you have to bring to soccer or ballet or whatever. This pasta in such a short time is done. It's healthy. There's protein in it. And I'm telling you, your kids will love it. And now it's time to serve it to my family. And there's my daughter. She's bringing it to the table. And we love this pasta dish, not only because it's simple, but it is also delicious. You can also, if you want to add a step to it, you can also add some sun-dried tomatoes in it and some capers if you like. If not, just leave it the way it is because it's absolutely delicious. And one thing I like about it, it is perfect for a busy family.